Solving simultaneous equations by substitution method. Two simultaneous equations are given. 4x plus 3y is equal to 34. 3x plus y is equal to 21. You will solve by substitution method. So you can take out the value of y from equation number 2 and substitute in equation number 1. So value of y from equation number 2, 3x plus y is equal to 21. Y is equal to 21 minus 3x. This is the value of y. You can substitute in equation number 1. Substitute this value of y in equation 1. Equation 1 is 4x plus 3y is equal to 34. You can substitute in equation number 2, you can substitute the value of y. Y is equal to 21 minus 3x. In place of y, you can substitute this value of y. 21 minus 3x is equal to 34. This is equation number 1. What is the other step? 3 multiplied by 21. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. 3 multiplied by minus 3x will give you minus 9x is equal to 34. What is the next step? You can solve x. 4x minus 9x will give you minus 5x. And 34 minus 63. So next step is minus 5x is equal to 34 minus 63. 34 minus 63 will give you minus 29. From here, you can find the value of x. Minus and minus can be cancelled, and x is equal to 29 divided by 5. This will give you the decimal value. 29 divided by 5 is 5.8. This is the value of x. 5.8. So now you can find the value of y by substituting x in any equation, equation number 1 or equation number 2. I'm taking equation number 2 because here the value of y is already there. This one, y is equal to 21 minus 3x. So let's continue further. This is the value of x, 5.8. We will substitute in y is equal to 21 minus 3x. So y is equal to 21 minus 3x. What is the value of x? 5.8, which you have just found. Okay. Now y is equal to 21 minus. Now you have to multiply 3 by 5.8. It will give you 17.4. Right? 3 multiplied by 5.8 is 17.4. Now you have to solve 21 minus 17.4 is 3.6. This is the value of y. So you have completed this. Value of x is 5.8 and value of y is 3.6. This is the solution set. This is your answer. 5.8 multiplied by 3.6. Now you have to do verification. So let's do verification now. You have to verify. The given answer. What is the given answer? The answer which you have just completed is 5.8. This is the value of x and 3.6. This is the value of y. You have to verify. So substitute these values in any of the equation. Let's take equation number 1. X is equal to 5.8 and y is equal to 3.6. You should get 34. Okay, it should be satisfied. So let's do the next step. 4 multiplied by 5.8 is 23.2. Now 3 multiplied by 3.6 is 10.8. Now 23.2 plus 10.8 will give you 34. So the equation is satisfied. Left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. So this is your answer, and it is verified that the answer is correct. So this is called solving simultaneous equations by substitution method. Let's see another question now. Solving simultaneous equations by substitution method. Another question is 10x minus 15y is equal to 25. X minus 2y is equal to 1. Let's solve by substitution method. From equation number 2, you can take out the value of x. The value of x is 1 plus 2y. Minus 2y will come on the other side and it will become plus 2y. Now substitute this value of x in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is 10x. So in place of x, we are substituting this value of x because we need to find y. What is the other step? 10 plus 10 multiplied by 2y will give you 10 multiplied by 2, 20y, minus 15y, minus 25 is equal to 0. Now you have to solve the like terms. 20y minus 15y will give you 5y. 10 minus 25 will give you minus 15 is equal to 0. From here you can find the value of y. Phi is equal to 15. So y can be found 15 divided by 5. 5 3s are 15. Y is equal to 3. Now you can substitute here to find x. So now we are finding x. X is equal to 1 plus 2y. From here you can find the value of x. So x is equal to 1 plus 2 multiplied by 3. You are substituting the value of y, which is 3. So x is equal to 1 plus 6. X is equal to 7. So you have completed the value of y is 3, and x is equal to 7. So this is the solution set. 7, 3. This is your answer. You have solved by substitution method. 7, 3 is the answer. Now you have to verify to prove that your answer is correct. So let's do verification of 7, 3. How to verify? 7, 3. Substitute this value 7, 3 in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is 10x minus 15y is equal to 25. Substitute the value of x, which is 7. What is the value of y? It is 3. You should get 25. 10 multiplied by 7 will give you 70, and 15 multiplied by 3 will give you 45. Now you have to solve 70 minus 45 will give you 25. You got the right-hand side. Both the sides are equal, so the equation is satisfied. 7, 3 is done. So you have solved these two simultaneous equations by substitution method.